Hello guys, JL here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Trading 212. So to do this is pretty simple. As you can see right here, we're in trading212.com. All you have to do is open an account. It's going to redirect you to another page. As you can see, you can select your country of residence as soon as possible. Open an account, so let's say UK. From here, you can choose an account. So you want to do invest, CFD, stocks IRA, cash, ISA. So it's going to do invest. So here you'll have to place your email, password, and many much more. So once you have done that, you can create your account, and then there you go. It's just that simple. Then the rest of the confirmations are going to be within the account of when you already try to log in. So let's log in, as you can see right here. So basically here, as you can see, once you have opened your account, try to deposit funds, you have to set up your account, verify your account, and add your funds. So you want to set up your account right here. So you want to enter your tax ID, of course, your national passport number if you don't have one, tax residence, and personal details. So the personal details I will blur out right here, and then your nationality, of course. So there you go, guys. That is how you sign up for Trading 212. If it was very helpful for you guys, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.